So I'm still out in the Pacific Northwest, set up temporarily at my friend's place. Gonna use this little charcoal forge again. Got some charcoal here, a bag of stuff that I bought, and I've got a few tools only. I've got that hammer, my rounding style hammer that I brought with me, that punch that I made in a recent video, and that one bent knee tong. I thought I had a bunch of tongs laid up here, but I don't. And then I've got this fullering tool, two anvils. The one in the back, same as what I use in Taiwan. The one in front is one that I had made a long time ago, also in Taiwan. And there you go with the little mini coal forge or charcoal forge. And so since I'm GS Tongs, I'll make a pair of tongs. The only steel I have is that rebar, and for a rivet, I have this concrete snap tie. I guess you could call this guerrilla style blacksmithing. And of course I'm turning the handle in the wrong direction again. It doesn't make a huge difference, but it would make somewhat of a difference if I was turning it the right way. And since this tong will be identical halves, I'll probably just show myself making one half. I want to give a big shout out to Jerry S. Hodges and Mike Llewellyn for their recent very generous donations. I know this is a rough time for a lot of people, and so I really do appreciate it. Thanks a lot, fellas. And I want to take a second to thank my Patreon and PayPal recurring supporters who are listed at the end of each video. Without those folks, these videos wouldn't exist, so thanks a lot. So a thing you might want to think about is when you're outside of your comfort zone, when you're outside of your element, are you able to still do decent blacksmithing? And that will tell you about how advanced you are. I normally lose something when I don't have my home field advantage, but where I make up for that is because I'm so minimalistic, I can usually get by with very few tools.
About.
That was my good buddy Lyle asking if I got the hole punched through.
Well, there you go.
You got to.
found this tool among my stuff. Not exactly sure what I was using it for, but oh well. It works in a pinch to flatten the pivot areas. This tie rod is a little thin, but the end already has a button head, so it should work just fine. So long as I can find it.
Remember, we're live.
I'm trying. Okay.
Pliers are almost never a good substitute for tongs. My kingdom for a good pair of tongs. I need to have the jaws held static while I get the handles lined up over each other. This is complete ghetto gorilla style here. I don't know why I don't see the curvature of the crank arm. So I clean the jaws up a bit, and this tong holds really well. It has a very nice feel, and I like the springiness of the handles. Something that's not there really pops out to me in this video. There's no background noise. There's no cars, scooters, trucks, buses, horns, and everything like you hear when I'm in Taiwan. And it's really pleasant for a change. I really like this tong, and I'll give it a workout while I'm here. I hope you've enjoyed this one, and I'll catch you guys next time.